Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Warzone update stuck at 0%. So step one, you need to check your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection is a common reason for updates getting stuck. First, you need to restart your router or modem, turn off your router for 30 seconds and turn it back on. Number two, you need to test your internet speed. Use a speed test tool to ensure your internet is fast enough for downloads. And three, switch to a wired connection. If possible, use an internet cable for a stable connection. Number two, restart the Battlefield Steam console client. Close the Battle.net, Steam, or console client completely. Reopen the launcher and retry the update. Step three, pause and restart the update. Sometimes the update just needs a little nudge to get going. Pause the update in your launcher, wait for 10 to 15 seconds, and resume the update and check if progress starts. Next is scan and repair game files. Corrupted game files can cause the update to stall. For Steam, just right click on Warzone in your Steam library, select Properties, go to Local Files, verify integrity of game files. Once the scan is complete, start the update again. Step 6, free up disk space. So Warzone updates often require a significant amount of storage space. So check your available storage. For PC, you need to open the File Explorer and check your drive space. For console, go to Settings, Storage, delete unnecessary files, games, or application to free up space. Retry the update after ensuring you have enough storage. And then, lastly, just a simple restart can clear temporary system glitches, restart your PC or console, launch the game client, and retry the update. Step 10, this one is optional. You can uninstall the game launcher and reinstall it again. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.